these educational packages that you have, tell me a little bit more about them, how they work.
The educational package that we have, it's developed, it's worth $100. We're selling it for $100. We have since the beginning. But what we're doing now is that we're doing new and more and better educational packages, all worth $100, and we'll implement them into the existing structure and platform so that people will get more and more education over time. Even if you bought it 2 years ago, you'll find new products, new educational packages as they come in. And people who will buy it in a couple of years from now, they will actually buy something at a much higher valuation, still for the flat rate of $100.
So it's the same price, still?
Same price, just more and better. And so it's like a Tesla. It's never as bad as the day you buy it because they upgrade the software all the time. It's a totally new revolutionary model of how to build and construct a business.
Yeah, but what about accessing these products and the technical platform?
We have a fantastic app which is constantly upgraded as well and improved, and that at the same time at the same price, no extra costs. So what we're doing now is that we're building this educational platform that will lift people, that will lift countries, and then we're adding all the products so that people actually can find the products that they need to sell to take themselves from where they are to where they want to be, make the money that they need, and we will totally fundamentally disrupt the software distribution industry and taking away the digital divide between developing and developed countries.
So when you say people, I assume you talk about your members. So how many are you now?
There's over 10 million members in less than 2 years and growing as we're speaking.
Wow, 10 million in less than 2 years. That sounds almost impossible to create that. It's like climbing that mountain looks impossible too.
Hi honey, put on a pair of good walking shoes and come meet me at Boho Club. We're going for a hike.
I fundamentally believe in people. I believe people have much more in them than what they know themselves. I believe that the injustice in life is that a lot of people do not even ever get the chance of trying. And a lot of people don't even try to try. They never get in there. They never do their best. And sometimes because they never get the opportunity, other times because they just don't understand that the opportunity is right there, right in front of them. It's just about to take the chance and go for it. Short-term thinking makes people desperate, ungenerous, impulsive. Long-term thinking makes people calm and gracious and controlled. They will help people. They will see that they're part of a bigger picture, that we do things together, that we help the ones below us, that we take help from the ones on top. We can do this together.